got nothing. They simply took our money. It can happen to anyone. If it happened to me, if it happened to my parents, it can certainly happen to anybody else. They were educated, they were knowledgeable, they thought they did their homework, and they were happy. So before you speak to an attorney, I suggest you read a copy of my book, The American Dream Shattered, The Dangers of Immigration Fraud. And in it, I go over what an immigration attorney can do for you, or do you need an immigration attorney? Not everyone does, as I said before. What the attorney can do for you, and 10 questions to ask your attorney to make sure that he or she, in fact, is an attorney, and is, in fact, experienced in this area. It isn't it isn't a notario, isn't an immigration consultant, someone who says they're an expert and they're not. My principal office is in Long Branch. Not even 3 blocks from my office, there was an individual in August who was arrested for taking advantage of 7 families. He presented himself to be an attorney. He had never been licensed in any state. Thankfully, he was caught before he actually applied for anything. I've seen case after case where someone goes to someone, they trust them, they're desperate, they want the help that this person's going to offer. The person files completely for the wrong thing and they get placed in removal hearings. Don't let that happen to you. Education is your best defense. Know what you're looking for. Know who you're speaking to. Don't be afraid to ask questions. If someone doesn't answer your question, if this is somebody who wants your service, they want to help you with something, and they won't answer your questions before you hire them, what reason do you have to think that they're going to answer your questions after you pay? Do your homework. So again, I wanted to thank the Ocean County Public Library. I'll take some questions in just a minute.